roll, I'm smoking this shit out the bowl. I got the munchies. He say he my dog, I knew the little boy was a fraud. We the one swiping the card, doing it Lord. Had to finesse the little boy, rats come jumping for joy. Hellcat scat back, fuck with the yard. He ain't with the love, I don't know that little boy.
Ain't gon' cap. Nigga just woke up, right? I just woke up, right? You feel me? I'm trying to decide, do I want to prank these niggas? Do I want to prank these fools, or do I want to be civilized? Shit. Should I prank the fools? I got the firecracker downstairs.
In the film room after the game. On the following.
Put him in a pot. Should I prank Greg? Should I prank Greg? Should I prank Greg? Shut the whole cup. I got some firecrackers out there. Firecrackers. Put them bitches in the pot. Hey, I need help, big. Come on. We about to put this shit in motion. Hey, I got these firecrackers. I'm about to put them in a pot. brush my teeth. It ain't even motherfucking was you. Oh, you move. It comes in there.
Oh, that bitch stink. What? That bitch smell like shit.
Oh shit.
It smell like fucking ass.
You get scared, bro?
Hell no.
That is crazy. That bitch start getting weird.
Oh my fuck, that bitch.
Oh god, look at the pot.
That bitch done.
Get the pot.
That bitch done made a mess like
That shit pop.
that shit not even cost that shit.
Boy, real smoking high, but y'all can't really tell. Bro, we ain't get the reaction we wanted to get, bro. I just fried my crib for no reason. Where the ball went? Anyway, look. He told you thought you ate. It's all crackle up.
I want to get your ass too, bro. I walked upstairs, I came out of the room, this bitch was on her phone, I seen, damn.
I got a text message, woke up and shit.
Oh, God.
Show would have react more than Grill.
Bro, that bitch showed me the video. That bitch show moving more than me. I be got to my head up this shit.
That's what I got.
That bit funny. Anyways, since that didn't go as planned, y'all stay tuned for what we get into today, man. We got Big Tonk outside. This ain't Big Tonk. We gotta give her a new name. Scatty Patty outside. Quit playing. Honda Cat outside. Mr. Him himself. I need a name. Y'all give me a name. I need a name, man. And we doing something. Hey, man, we about to go to the Atlanta streetwear market, man. Let me see what these boys got on, man. Don't mind the room. I got to clean up. We got a lot going on. Hey, fit check. Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, I can get the hat on.
Come on. Are you okay? Y'all say he said wait. Gang said wait. Okay. How you coming to it? Come on, huh?
Step.
Okay, LeBron James himself. Okay. You feel me? Okay, he said he don't put the hat on now. Crazy.
Yo.
Crazy.
Y'all see, got the hat, the hair and shit sticking out of it curly, ain't it?
Come on, huh? Easy. Okay.
on, man.
Crazy. Easy. Crazy. Look.
Hey, that nigga Greg a fucking fool.
Got that shit on, too, though. Hey, you hear me?
I ain't know that shit.
Hey.
Alright.
All right. With the Supreme tee? Hey, yo. How y'all boy feel? Y'all know I'm treading lightly today.
That nigga got some clothes on. Finally, hell must be freezing over.
Say what?
Stop that shit.
I said, that bitch finally got some clothes on. Hell gotta be freezing over.
God.
You know that bitch like to wear Carhartt jeans and boots.
With the
and
Crocs.
shit.
With the crop. No, you like to wear the shorts with the crop. When that shit cool when you ain't going nowhere.
You know what he said? He said.
Y'all know I got on something light. I'm treading lightly today. I ain't got my shirt on yet. Bit too white. Hold on, let me. Boy, your ass fresh, but you got a little dust on you. Let me.
Get your ass over.
No, I said, y'all got some clothes on. Hell must be freezing over. Be yourself.
Crazy.
Man, that shit weird as fuck.
Bit, what? They be clipping his nails in the kitchen. Who? Light skin nigga. Yeah, open door. I know my brother got that shit on. Okay. Crazy. Quit playing. What's that, right, guy? Y'all see we loaded outside? Hey, man. Nigga wake up and get on 2K. Come on. Nah, we coming. Hey. What's that on the table? I go to the nail salon, crazy. Bruh, send me.
Nigga come to Atlanta, don't know how to act, bro.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Got them boys in that big body.
Yes, sir.
But we got a lot going on out here, huh? I ain't got no gas. Hey, Ma. Yeah, he just bought that bit. Bro. Boy, done pulled up, easy with the skinnies on. Okay, little daddy. Okay, little daddy. Y'all boy, tight up, huh? Little daddy. What, huh? Like goddamn.
Parlay.
Like I'm in a pit crew.
Parlay.
For the NASCAR driver, looking at. You feel me? Twin y'all got you over there, bitch. You feel me? I can't leave here shot last night. Shoot, bitch. Shoot. Oh.
That black bitch?
No, she was missing. That bitch started in.
Hey, crazy. As soon as I bet with her ass.
Why you did the same thing? Crazy? Stop it, crazy. All right. Hey, you ever like I can record? Boy, I will find your ass. I said, look at CJ pushing that big body. Goddamn ass that people doing this.
Oh, God, I know that bitch.
Y'all see me on? Oh, fresh is out the group probably, and I ain't even try today.
Really? Are you? Stop munching, nigga. Look, these fat ass nigga wants some barbecue. That ass nigga there. Crazy. They playing music, so we gon' I'm just gonna give y'all some highlights for the show. You feel me? I need my miso. We gonna show y'all highlights because they playing music, so I ain't gonna be vlogging. I'm just gonna be here and there, in and out. Basically, just recording the different brands. You feel me? I got my security. Oh shit! Get in front of me, security. I can give y'all nigga about 20 hours for real for the day. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? 20 hours? What you did?
On the east side of the world, slamming Moby Dick. Told Spreader, grab the 60 followers, roll that bitch. Sold it down on the paper, but I don't know that bitch. We on game, and I know it's when you throw that bitch. I hit the switch on the Chevy, and we bounce that shit. In the Telly, chicken traps, let me count that shit.
I'm on business. Yo, what you right now? I'm gonna go over there.
I don't want that black.
What?
I don't want no profit.
Come to the truck, bro. Getting too crowded. We had to come get some grub. Look at my security guard. You feel me? That boy corn out here in the track. My boy cool hard. I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to smack on these chips. But that track hard, I ain't gonna cap. That track too hard. But yeah. We waiting on everybody else to come out. I got hungry. I'm ready to go home. It's hot. That time. Y'all, we ain't go too crazy. Just something light, man. Just something light. Y'all heard that? Got the Cowboys on. Hey, yo! Fat nigga right here, man.
This is the best lineup yet, man.
But yeah, we ain't go too crazy, y'all. I ain't wanna go crazy. Look at this man here.
That's the best one yet.
Chill. I ain't wanna go too crazy. The genuine human jeans, I fuck with these right here. The NASCAR shirt, man. Don't die wondering. You feel me? And the popular DOS, you know what I'm saying? Don't overthink style. I ain't want to go too crazy. Just something light. Had to get that right there. I got to show y'all the back too, though. Fadeaway, motherfucker. Know what that is. All time. Genuine human jeans. DOS sweats, 2 shirts, man. Couple bucks. That's how we picked up. From Streetwear Market. You know what I'm saying? I got clothes everywhere. I got to clean up. I already took my clothes off, though. But y'all know, man. Something like, y'all like, comment, subscribe.